Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually start to export as GIF on this situation. So really what is gonna to be causing here on this blog is what we're gonna start to see is really to be satisfied with making this more important through that. So really what you're gonna see actually about to go for here or making and adding a plugin, then start to go for GIF. As you can see, export the GIF here and then run it. As you can see, you can start to export to GIF or video, and this what we're gonna see after you create an account and verify it on this plugin. And once you do that, you can actually finish it and then start to go to make a save a local copy. Better to give you it here on the right top corner, which is downloaded, or maybe through the export. And that is all about